With its nationwide tally of coronavirus cases now exceeding 10,000 and over 200 people losing their lives, Pakistan has decided to keep its mosques open during the holy month of Ramadan. This while other Islamic countries have clamped down on religious gatherings. Pakistan will allow the mosques to be open with quote-unquote certain restrictions and conditions. Other Islamic countries like Saudi Arabia and the UAE, meanwhile, have suspended religious gatherings in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. The Islamic lobby holds immense clout in Pakistan, while overtly religious parties have not been all that successful in electoral politics. They are still able to shore up large, often violent crowds on matters pertaining to religion, such as in support of the country's harsh blasphemy law.
जो बीमारी है इंशाल्लाह हम सबको बिल्कुल भी जो भी मुसलमान हैं हमको बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएगी। हमारा अकीदा अल्लाह पर है। जो काफिर हैं वो इन चीज़ों के लिए वो यानी कि इससे डरते हैं, इन खौफ से, यानी कि जो वबा आई हुई है काफिरों को इस चीज़ पर ज़्यादा खौफ है।
Ramadan begins this week. The holy month of fasting, prayer and community gatherings will see mosques back to the brim, with worshippers thronging the country's 500,000 mosques. During this time, the government has advised some containment measures like social distancing and banning the entry of the elderly. But all that, of course, stands the test of enforcement at the local level. The administration has set out a 20-point primer that can be revised depending on a surge in the number of cases. As per Pakistan's own regulations, nearly half of the country's leadership will not be able to enter mosques, and that includes Prime Minister Imran Khan, who is 68 years old. About 230 paramedics and doctors in the country have now been infected by the virus. At least 3 among them have succumbed to the disease. Doctors have been pleading with the government agencies to shut down mosques during Ramadan.
डॉक्टर्स की कमी है, हमारे वेंटिलेटर्स इतने ज़्यादा नहीं है, टेस्टिंग कैपेसिटी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है। तो हम अगर स्लो होना तो सबको है, पेंडेमिक है, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हो तो हम मैनेज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, और सबसे ज़्यादा हमारे जो हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स हैं वो एट रिस्क हैं।
Pakistan's COVID patient count has doubled from 5,000 to 10,000 in the past 7 days. Doctors have demanded the government to shut down mosques. Nurul Haq Qadri, the Federal Minister for Religious Affairs, says that the decision has not been taken under pressure but is rather part of reconciliation, adding that the government can review its decision to reopen the mosques given the fact that the 20 pointers it has agreed upon, if at all the corona cases rise in Pakistan.
Pakistan's Religious Affairs Minister has defended the decision, calling it a reconciliation, while critics view this as the government bowing down to pressure exerted by the clerics. Other clerics and the administration, however, have been advising people to observe prayers at home.